Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Mina. I am an Aussie living in Amsterdam, and if you caught my last video, you'll know that I just had a baby. I had a little baby girl. She's 8 weeks old today. So this is a video of my husband and I painting a set of drawers for baby clothes. And I just wanted to use this video as an opportunity to talk a little bit about myself and what I want to do with this channel. One of the reasons I want to start up this channel again is because I want to try and make some income from home. So before giving birth, I was working as a restaurant manager and also working 1 day a week at a sake company. In the Netherlands, you get 4 months of maternity leave, with 3 months being taken after the baby is born, which means I would have to return to my job in 1 month's time, and that just feels way too early for me. So I've decided not to return to my restaurant job for now, and I will probably go back to my sake job next year. So to be able to stay at home with my baby and also have a bit of freedom and a bit of flexibility with how I go back to work when I do eventually, I want to try and make a bit of income with this channel. At the moment, I make between 50 and 90 euros a month from ad revenue, and that mainly depends on the season, so I make more in winter, which makes sense. So if I can increase this amount to a few hundred, maybe in the 300 to 500 range, it would be quite helpful. So that is my tentative goal for now. You may have also noticed that this channel used to be called Mina Knits, but I've changed it to Mina Makes, because while I love knitting, I found it quite challenging to make only knitting related content. I'm definitely not a pro, so it really took a lot of time thinking about and making tutorials. And I think by broadening the scope of my channel, I can more easily make videos about things I like and maybe even make them with some regularity. So I'm going to include DIY videos, sewing videos, of course knitting and crochet, and maybe even a bit of cooking. So yeah, I just wanted to be honest about what my situation is and also what my intention is. I'm also a bit of a procrastinator, so hopefully this video will hold me accountable. Although I have gotten a bit better with it lately, because if there is one thing that having a newborn baby teaches you, it's that you need to get things done when you have the chance, because you don't know when your next chance will come around. So this is how the drawers turned out. The colour is a little bit pinker than I had anticipated, but I think it's a very cute set of drawers for a little baby girl. So hopefully she likes them once she knows what they are. And she's been growing at such a rapid pace that I've already had to switch out 2 rounds of clothes. So it's really true what they say about babies just outgrowing their clothes so quickly. Okay, I think that's about all. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen, and I will see you next time. Bye.